Let's take a look at this hair dryer. This is from Panasonic. It's the Nano Care Invisible Nano Visible Results. This is the invisible part. You see those two holes on the top? They produce tiny water molecules which gives your hair a softer and shinier finish. You can't see it like you see in the photo when using it. That's why they say it's invisible. Really beautiful packaging. Platinum ions are ions emitted by platinum electrodes. These are the platinum ions. Nanoe supplements hair with sufficient moisture to maintain moisture balance inside hair and prevents hair from curling while making hair lustrous and smooth. Nanoe has the effect of moisturizing the scalp. Excess sebum can be easily removed when shampooing to keep the scalp fresh and healthy. This is without the Nanoe. This is after using it for 6 months. Looks a lot smoother. Costs around 7,490 rupees or $100 or so. This is manufactured in Thailand. So let's see what we get. That's how the manual looks. They have more info about the technology. Nanoe is a charged fine particles generated by applying high voltage in order to split water. Its diameter is smaller than 1/100th of steam and it cannot be seen with naked eyes. Since Nanoe is generated by collecting water in the air, it may be difficult to generate in certain cases depending on the environment. It is harder to collect water in air when it's cold and humidity is low. And this is how the hair dryer looks. That's where the magic happens. Again, you can see it, but if you look closely when it's switched on, you can see a slight fireball. When it's in the lowest heat and lowest fan, you get a nice breezy air that's slightly misty, and it's also really quiet compared to other hair dryers. I have used it a couple of times and I definitely noticed the difference. It's much more gentler on the hair. Hair definitely feels more shiny. That also looks really cute. Really nice color too. I think more and more future technologies will be like this. Invisible to the eyes, but visible results. Quite nice. Check it out.